Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a stable workspace and minimizing dust. Power off the AirPods Pro 3 and place them on a soft cloth to prevent scratches. Once done, orient each bud so the ear tip faces you and stabilize the stem between thumb and forefinger. Gently pull the tip straight away from the nozzle with steady pressure. This reduces risk of tearing. You do not twist aggressively. Pulling straight keeps the internal retention ring intact and exposes the nozzle for the next step. After pulling the old tip free, closely inspect the nozzle and retention ring for lint, earwax, or damage. Debris prevents a secure seal. If you see blockage, wipe with a dry, lint-free cloth or use a soft bristled brush. Do not insert liquids. Next, line up the new AirPods Pro 3 ear tip so the retention grooves match the nozzle ridges. This alignment is why you inspected first. Press the new tip firmly onto the nozzle until you feel a click, ensuring it's seated. Once the new tip clicks into place, give it a gentle tug to verify it's locked. Then place the AirPod in your ear and perform a quick audio seal check. Play familiar audio and listen for bass presence and isolation. If the sound is thin or the tip feels loose, remove it, recheck the nozzle and tip grooves for debris, and reseat until secure. If problems persist, try the other size tip. Occasionally, a different size provides proper seal rather than a faulty part.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.